Business management, minus the chaos for original equipment manufacturers and dealer networks. The mess. Spreadsheets, email threads, missed approvals, no single source of truth. One platform, one view. One live platform for your entire network. Map, metrics, updates now. Dealer A profiles. Profiles, KPIs, packages, docs organized. Know every dealer at a glance. Risk or underwriting, real-time risk scoring, credit decisions in clicks. Transactions or P&L, from invoices to insights, live transaction reports and P&L. Workflows that finish, tasks, visits, approvals tracked to done, no email ping-pong. AI/ML clarity, forecasting, automated mapping, real-time OCR, less manual, more meaningful. Less firefighting, more foresight. Book a demo with pOrbis.